Hey there guys, what's happening? It's Mike here coming to you from District 7 in Ho Chi Minh City, and in this video I've got some good news for anyone like me who's planning on traveling to Thailand in the coming weeks or months. Now this morning I've been doing some research and booking some flights to go to Bangkok in early July, and I'm glad to say that entering Thailand just got that little bit easier. Now if you have been following the saga of the ever-changing entry requirements to Thailand, you'll understand that it's pretty much changing week on week. You've got to be keeping up with this. However, as of today, June the 1st, for vaccinated travelers, no PCR test or ATK test is required. All that you need if you are vaccinated is obviously your passport, a valid visa, the Thailand pass, which you can get on the government website, a 24-hour turnaround, so I'm told now, and you also need insurance to cover you for $10,000 US. I will put a link to the Luma insurance package, which I'm using, that covers you for the whole ASEAN region, Vietnam, Singapore, Bali, etc. So, for vaccinated travelers, those are the rules. For non-vaccinated travelers, exactly the same. You're going to need your passport, your visa, the Thailand pass, insurance. But if you're non-vaccinated, you will also need a PCR test or professionally taken rapid test, ATK test, within 72 hours, okay? So non-vaccinated, exactly the same, but you will still require that PCR test. So it certainly seems like a lot of the countries here in Southeast Asia are opening up. Vietnam no longer requires tests, Cambodia no longer requires tests, Thailand no longer requiring tests. So is now the perfect time to travel over to Southeast Asia? I've had a load of people in my inbox and in my emails over the last week telling me that they're planning to travel over to Thailand and Vietnam, and it's great to see the world opening up again. And if you are planning on traveling, guys, do let me know in the comments. I like responding to all of them. It's an absolutely scorching day here in Saigon now. It's muggy, overcast. I think it's going to be a big thunderstorm. Rainy season is starting over here now, so it wouldn't surprise me if it absolutely lashes down very soon. And I hope that you found this video useful. I'm going to put the link to the Thailand Authority of Tourism in the description to this video so you can see the actual article for yourself. And if you would like to connect with me and other expats and digital nomads based all around the world, you can join my free Facebook group, Digital Nomad Entrepreneurs, where there's a whole bunch of cool people to network with. There's some free training, resources, travel tips, and everything that you need to travel the world and earn remotely while you're doing that. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.